Today, we're diving into the powerful Snowball method for crushing debt and mastering your budget. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your financial obligations, you're not alone. This method focuses on tackling your smallest debts first, creating a sense of accomplishment that fuels your motivation. We'll explore how to create a budget that aligns with this strategy, making it easier to track your progress and stay committed. By the end of this video, you'll have practical tips and actionable steps to take control of your finances. Whether you're just starting your debt-free journey or looking for effective ways to manage your existing budget, this engaging and informative guide will empower you to make lasting changes. Let's get started on the path to financial freedom. Step 1. The first step in mastering your budget with the Snowball method is to identify all your income sources. Begin by listing your primary salary, but don't stop there. Include any freelance work, side gigs, or passive income streams you may have. This comprehensive overview will give you a clearer picture of your financial landscape. Once you've compiled your list, calculate your total monthly income. Understanding this figure is crucial, as it serves as the foundation for your budgeting efforts. Knowing exactly how much money you have coming in each month allows you to allocate funds effectively and prioritize debt repayment. By being aware of your income, you can make informed decisions that will help you stay on track and achieve your financial goals. Let's move forward with this essential knowledge. Step 2. The next crucial step in your budgeting journey is to track your expenses. Start by categorizing your spending into fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses include essentials like rent and utilities, while variable expenses cover items such as groceries and entertainment. This distinction helps you understand where your money is going each month. To make tracking easier, consider using budgeting apps or spreadsheets that allow you to monitor your spending habits in real time. By keeping a close eye on your expenses, you can identify patterns and pinpoint areas where you can cut back. This awareness is vital for effective budgeting, as it empowers you to make informed decisions and find opportunities for savings. With a clear picture of your spending, you'll be better equipped to tackle your debt and achieve financial stability. Step 3. Now that you've tracked your income and expenses, it's time to create your budget plan. Begin by allocating funds to each category based on your total income and identified expenses. Make sure to include essential elements like savings and debt repayment in your budget. This ensures that you're not only covering your current needs, but also working towards a more secure financial future. Remember, budgeting is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's essential to remain flexible. Life can be unpredictable, and your budget should adapt to changes in income or unexpected expenses. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed to stay on track with your financial goals. By creating a thoughtful and adaptable budget plan, you'll be well equipped to manage your finances and make significant progress in your debt repayment journey. Step 4. The next step is to implement the Snowball method for effective debt repayment. Start by listing all your debts from smallest to largest, ignoring interest rates for now. This approach allows you to focus on paying off the smallest debt first, which can create a sense of accomplishment and motivate you to keep going. While you tackle that smallest debt, continue making minimum payments on your other debts to avoid penalties. As you pay off each debt, celebrate these small victories. Acknowledging your progress, no matter how minor, can boost your motivation and keep you committed to your repayment journey. Remember, the Snowball method is about building momentum, so each debt you eliminate brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Stay focused and let those victories propel you forward. Step 5. The final step in your budgeting journey is to monitor and adjust your budget regularly. Make it a habit to review your budget monthly, allowing you to track your progress and make necessary adjustments. During this review, identify any areas of overspending and strategize on how to cut back. This could mean finding cheaper alternatives for certain expenses or reallocating funds to better align with your financial goals. Staying proactive in this process is crucial for maintaining control over your finances. Remember, budgeting is an ongoing journey, and flexibility is key. Encourage yourself to stay committed to your financial goals, even when challenges arise. By consistently monitoring your budget and making adjustments, you'll be better equipped to achieve financial stability and ultimately crush your debt. Keep pushing forward, your efforts will pay off. Step 6. The final step in your debt repayment journey is to stay motivated and seek support. One effective way to maintain your enthusiasm is by joining online communities or forums dedicated to budgeting and debt repayment. These platforms provide valuable resources, tips, and encouragement from others who share similar goals. Additionally, consider sharing your financial goals with friends or family members. This accountability can help keep you on track and motivated as you work towards your objectives. Remember, financial freedom is not just a destination, it's a journey worth pursuing. Celebrate your progress no matter how small, and lean on your support network during challenging times. By surrounding yourself with positive influences and staying engaged with your goals, you'll find the strength to overcome obstacles and achieve the financial stability you desire. Keep pushing forward! Conclusion. We explored the essential steps for effective budgeting using the Snowball method to crush your debt. We began by identifying your income sources and tracking your expenses, which laid the groundwork for creating a solid budget plan. Implementing the Snowball method allows you to focus on paying off your smallest debts first, building momentum along the way. We also discussed the importance of monitoring and adjusting your budget regularly, as well as staying motivated and seeking support from communities and loved ones. Remember, budgeting is a powerful tool for achieving financial freedom, and now is the time to take action and start your journey. If you found this video helpful, check out my next video. Please subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from these financial tips. Together we can work towards a debt-free future.